Let's learn colors using these cute fish toys. This little fish is yellow. And this little fish is orange. Do you know the color of this fishy? It's red. This fish is lime. Lime is a lighter shade of green. Next one is green. And this fishy is pink. Next one is magenta. It's a darker shade of pink. Next one is a blue fish. And this dark blue color is called indigo. Our last fish is violet, or you can also call it purple. Subscribe for more activities. Let's learn color sorting. Green hexagon. Yellow bowl. Blue number 6. Orange letter B. Orange fish. Purple fish. Yellow letter A. Blue trapezoid. Yellow fish. Green letter M. Yellow number 1. Orange bowl. Red ring. Red letter C. Green oval. Yellow ring. Purple number 10. Yellow bowl. Blue ring. Blue ring. Red number 3. Orange circle. Purple triangle. Blue ring. Green fish. Red ring. Orange number 2. Blue ring. All done.
Wow! Let's learn colors and numbers together. Number 1, dark red. Number 2, red. Number 3, orange. Number 4, light orange. Number 5, yellow. Number 6, light green. Number 7, green. 8, green. Number 9, dark green. Number 10, light blue. 11, blue. 12, violet. Number 13, indigo. Number 14, purple. 15, magenta.
Let's learn colors together and see what's hiding inside of these cute macaroons. Let's start with this green one. Let's open it up and see what's inside. That's a cute little bow. Let's see what's hiding inside of the purple macaron. It's a little Minnie Mouse ring. That's a blue macaron. A sparkling little crown. Next one is yellow. Oh, that's a beautiful yellow star. Let's see what's inside of this pink macaron. Oh wow, what a beautiful pink rose. And the last one is the red macaron. It's a red heart.